And here be monsters, child. Can you see? Spin the globe, faster now, little faster. Do you see now? How the monsters come so fast. They start small as a splash in a pond ripple. By the time you see them, they are large as nightmares. By the time you're afraid, they've sunk back into the waves on the other side. The clever trick the explorer made. I think he made, though he does have a habit of taking credit where credit cannot be found. Are the monsters real? Of course, all monsters are real. Somewhere on some globe. Are they only as frightening as you give them credit for? On the other side of that coin, as scary as they prove themselves to be. Now, here, they are ink and pigment until they choose to be otherwise. The purpose of the globe? Maybe to entertain, maybe to muse on adventures to take, or nightmares to avoid. Or maybe you are meant to free the monsters and see what they truly are. Now shoo, I have books to shelve, and if you don't quiet, I'll paint your image on the globe, under the sea beast, and see what it makes of you. An excerpt from the librarian's diary, with all the sincerity that I, the librarian, am capable of.